Comment down below right now if you think you know where we are for this week's Saturday Park Adventure. Let me go ahead, give y'all 2 seconds. Where do you think we are today, guys? This is a big hint. So if you typed in the Red Caboose Playground Park, you are correct. If you typed in Bellevue Park, you are correct. So with that being said, this is where we're spending our Saturday Park Adventure today. If you haven't visited, don't worry, we're going to take a tour of this place now, and hopefully you come out and see it for yourself. All right, so I'm not going to flip it around because I'm right beside a playground. This is going to make me look like a weirdo, but if you'd like to bring your kids out here to play, there's definitely a nice playground here. Not too many of our parks, our metro parks, have stages, but this one has one, so that's very nice. It's located right off of Highway 70, which is that noisy, busy street you're hearing in the background. But other than that, makes a great park. Plenty of space for kiddos to run and play, and just have a great time. Plenty of shelter and gazebo areas, swings for even adults out here. So yeah, why not? If you have kids, go for it. Again, I wish I could show y'all the playground, but there are kids playing and I just don't want to do that. So let's get a shot of the stage. So that is the stage. It's not huge like some of the others we've seen, but again, you have to think this is primarily for kids, so that's a decent size to have at a park like this. I don't know if y'all can make that out on the camera, but it looks like they have Christmas lights up top, and then you have your classic floodlights. But yeah, this is nice, decent size. I'm not sure if they actually have productions on this stage or if it's just here, but it would be nice if they did. Hadley Park is another that has one, much larger. If you've ever been to the African Street Festival or anything else that African Americans typically have in Nashville, you've probably seen that stage, but this is unique in that it's very colorful and catering to children's like imagination, so I love that. And then right behind it, you get a shot of that pathway. It's trail that loops around the park. It's not a long one, but it's a decent size given the type of park this is. So just to give you a reference point, when you pull into the parking lot off of Highway 70, you can then park and take the pathway all the way up here. This is the trail circling behind the stage, and then you see where there's more railing back there. It kind of goes in between here. They have swings set up. Looks like a historical house back there. I'm assuming that's a restroom, and you have a better view of the playground now that I don't see kids on it. So let's go and check out this house back here. I'm always surprised by how intact these houses still are like this many years later. So let's find out about it. All right, so it's a cabin. Okay, Revolutionary War captain cabin. Bought this land in 1800. Wow. This is a nice cabin. I feel like we should go back to building our homes like this. Obviously, if you have a termite issue, this may be a problem, but look at how long this thing has withstood the test of time. It was erected in 1797, okay? And it wasn't until 2006 when this was placed here, I believe. So the railing that we saw, it kind of branches off from the trail, is leading to this cabin. You can walk around the entire thing. No lie, man, I want to look in that window so bad, but because I don't deal with ghosts, I ain't doing that, because I know whoever owned that probably didn't like me, given that it was what, 1797 when this was erected. So they probably waiting on me to come peep through that window and show me something ain't nobody else seen viewing it. So I'm gonna just leave it on alone, tell y'all it's here. If you make your way to this part, you can take that chance. But it's Halloween Eve, so I'm not trying to fool with no ghosts or none of that. Thank you guys so much for watching this long, man. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you can join us every Saturday for a new Saturday Park Adventure. And come see Bellevue Park. It didn't disappoint.